the official Easter convertible. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this thing was made in July of 1977, according to, from what I saw in the serial number. I think that the fourth digit decodes the month, and the fifth and sixth decode the year on these before pre-Maytag ones. So if I'm wrong, do correct me. And I thought it was because I thought it was made in 1977 because this one was made in 1978, and it has the same logo as same Hoover logo as that one there. So yeah, just correct me if I'm wrong. Not 100% sure. Yeah.